Are you that flabby binge eater who can't stop roaming around the kitchen at night hunting for scrumptious food? Are you always dreaming about your next meal, hoping it satisfies your taste buds and, of course, your tummy? Does the thought of having to leave your favorite meal and starving yourself really haunt you? If you're seriously willing to get permanent fat loss, want to transform your body and overall health while eating your favorite foods, or without starving yourself, this video is for you. Did you know that about 1/3 of the adults and 1/6 of the children in the United States are overweight, and more than half of them are obese? It certainly refers to the fact that current dietary guidelines are absurd. And if you're 10 to 20 pounds overweight or more and follow all the nutritional rules outlined by the health and fitness experts, if you can't seem to lose the extra weight and still carry excess unhealthy body fat, or even if you've just never ever been lean and healthy before in your entire life, it is not your fault. And you need to realize there's always a cost to betterment, which is why I must invite you to watch this short video. A woman used to suffer from being overweight. All her life she dreamed of being skinny and smart. The questioning eyes of the world around her and the extra pounds she had made her tired, depressed, uncomfortable, and very, very unhappy. She tried many diets, random meal plans, followed recipes to lose weight, though none of those worked for her, but it made her pretty much frustrated. Things were getting worse for her. She was tipping the scale at 200 pounds, which was alarmingly unhealthy. Emotionally, she was depressed. This was not her desired result of the constant hardships of trying to lose weight. However, she was unknowingly doing the same diet blunder that most struggling for smartness people are doing today. By avoiding these mistakes, she managed to drop 51 pounds of ugly belly fat and 8 dress sizes, which left her barely unrecognizable to her friends and family, and even to herself. And cellulite vanished from her hips, buns, belly, underarms, and thighs. She was over the moon and couldn't stop looking at herself in the mirror. She changed her life and completely transformed with a new lean body. If you avoid these 4 common diet mistakes, you will nearly achieve that firm and lean body you always wanted to have. Are you making these 4 common diet mistakes that sabotage your health and stall fat loss? Mistake number 1, you're not in a calorie deficit. Losing weight and getting into an ideal body shape entirely depends upon the types of foods you eat and how you control it. If you want to drop the pounds on your scale and extra inches around your whole body, the main focus should be on creating a caloric deficit. It's quite simple. If you eat more calories than you burn, you'll gain weight. Similarly, if you eat less than you burn, you'll lose weight. It's common to believe that you're in a calorie deficit, but in fact, you're not. Most people make this mistake while struggling to lose weight and claim they do not eat many calories. This makes it difficult to create a calorie deficit and makes fat loss impossible for you. If you want to get rid of excess body fat, you must stay in a calorie deficit, and the amount you're sure about is vital for you. Mistake number 2, skipping meals and severe calorie deficit. If an energy deficit of 400 calories per day will make you skinnier, what do you think about a 1,200 calorie deficit a day? Will that give you the result 3 times faster? Wrong. Many people make this mistake. The truth is, severe calorie restriction and skipping meals would put your body into a survival mode and can completely mess up your physiology. This is why people regain all their lost weight easily when they stop restriction, and most often gain some more fat than before. The thing is, as soon as you start starving yourself, your body thinks that there's not enough food available. When you finally eat something, your body will begin storing as much fat as possible to get ready for the next starvation and prevent you from losing fat and dying of hunger. I should skip my lunch today so that I can get skinnier is not the right way to get lean. If you avoid food while being hungry, you're missing a healthy fat loss strategy because skipping your meals and severe calorie deficit makes it much more difficult to lose weight. So, it's crucial to set your calorie goal that's perfect for your body, your condition, and your dream figure. Mistake number 3, ignoring your macros. When you're trying to lose weight, you're striving to improve your health and look better. But here's the deal. If you want to look and feel better, you should not strive to lose weight. Instead, you should set your goals on losing excess fat. Now, when you try to lose fat with caloric deficit and balance, it's also crucial to consider your daily macro intake. How much protein, carbs, and fat you consume every day. If you consume more carbs in your diet, it would be incredibly difficult to lose fat, even if you're in a calorie deficit. That's because carbs immediately spike insulin. Insulin is called the fat storage hormone for a reason. Elevated insulin levels not only prevent the release of fat from fat cells, but also cause your body to store all the energy found in your bloodstream right into the fat cells. And if your cells don't release fat, you can never burn it off. That's why carb-rich foods make it impossible to lose fat. Mistake number 4, following an unrealistic diet. An overly restrictive diet is never a good idea. It builds up your cravings, deteriorates your willpower, and results in binge-eating episodes that destroy your progress. This has happened 1,000 times before. People decide to get healthier and drop a few extra pounds. While starting off, they try a healthy diet they might have found somewhere on the web, which includes only chicken breast, eggs, and asparagus. While the numbers on the scale are dropping, and the dieter devotedly boils chicken every Sunday to get the meals ready for the week, their willpower starts to run out slowly. Gradually, the diet is gone and the meal boxes are replaced with pizza or pasta. Understand that getting in shape and cutting fat is difficult as is. You don't have to make it more difficult for yourself by following crazy and entirely unnecessary restrictions. Doing so will hamper your body's metabolism and fat-burning capabilities, which will make fat loss more and more difficult in the end. The best solution to all these common and disastrous diet blunders: a keto meal plan that will limit your carb intake while also putting you in a calorie deficit. You do not have to switch to a leafy, inedible diet for a healthier you at all. If you want to have a guaranteed plan that works, then you'll love my brand new keto meal plans. There's absolutely no need to suppress your cravings for better taste and the meals you enjoy. After collaborating with top nutritionists, dietitians, and chefs, I have finally achieved my target of creating a magic that you might have been seeking for a long time. And when it comes to Keyforketo, this is not the cliche collection of some random recipes collected on the internet. This is the tried and tested result of my personal grind and hard work. The 30-day ultra-fast keto challenge is specially customized for you to take care of all your cravings and health. Moreover, what's better than finally being able to fit into your favorite jeans? You might have heard how the keto diet helped millions of people in improving their health and transforming their body like magic. But in case you don't know, here's a short overview. A keto diet is an eating style where you replace your carbohydrate intake with fat and consume less carbs, moderate protein, and high dietary fats. What does the keto diet do, you might be thinking? Well, the depletion of carbohydrates puts you into a state called ketosis. Your body doesn't have much access to glucose. Glucose comes primarily from carbs and is a great energy source for the brain and body. Therefore, it's preferred whenever present. When glucose levels fall, your body needs an alternative energy source for all its functions. And because your brain does not use fat as fuel, that's where ketones come in. Ketones are the chemicals produced in your liver in the absence of glucose, which enables your brain to use fat for fuel. That's an excellent outcome. Otherwise, your whole body will collapse. When your brain uses ketones and fatty acids as primary fuel rather than glucose, you're in ketosis, which is fat-burning mode. At this point, your body's metabolism starts burning fat for energy. This energy source fuels up your body. You're no longer burning glucose, you're burning fat. That's invaluable because ketosis gives you multiple health benefits along with fat loss. The keto diet is a complete package deal to overcome obesity and drop the pounds quickly without any health hazards while keeping you healthy and joyful. Here are the top 5 reasons why a keto diet is top rated for fat loss. Reason 1, rapid fat burn. The presence of high levels of insulin make it hard to burn fat. Elevated levels of this hormone store all the energy found in your bloodstream right into your fat cells. However, on a keto diet, insulin levels drop, and the body becomes capable of burning stored fat, which is also beneficial for your health. Reason 2, farewell to binging. Your body can never fight weight loss if you keep adding the stuff it's trying so hard to throw out. This is the reason people regain all that lost weight, because they cannot stave off binging. Unlike other weight loss diets, the keto diet helps to keep you satiated by high-fat meals. When you go keto, you don't get hungry and feel the need to roam around the kitchen all day. That's why this style of eating is superior for fat loss. This is more like killing your hunger with tactics by already giving enough meals to fulfill the cravings. You will not gain weight again once you achieve your dream figure. Reason 3. No parallel workout required. You don't have to work out while being on a keto diet because your body is already cutting down your fats to use them up as fuel. When you're in ketosis, you will surely burn pounds, whether you're active or not. Reason 4. Full of nutrition and easy to follow. The best thing about the keto diet is that it's full of nutrition, simple, and very easy to follow. You will enjoy and love eating high-fat foods like chicken, eggs, steaks, and cheese. Reason 5. Extremely health-friendly and safe. The keto diet is not just a holistic approach to fat loss, it's also an extremely healthy diet and improves your overall health. Want proof? Various studies show the keto diet is highly effective in increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels in the blood, reducing blood pressure, anxiety, depression, risk of cardiovascular diseases, and most importantly, type 2 diabetes. Various studies prove that the keto diet can help treat neurological symptoms, especially Alzheimer's disease, regulate insulin levels, blood cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, improve focus and mental clarity, and act against even some cancer cells. So, are you up for this ride? How much fat do you wish to melt down? By ordering your 30-day ultra-fast keto challenge, you'll finally be able to control over your health and transform your body. Let's have a look at what is in our stack for you if you start today. 30-day accelerated meal plan. This meal plan is carefully designed for you with an adequate amount of macros in each meal. That makes you achieve your fat loss goal and enables you to drop sizes and inches. 30-day busy budget meal plan. If you're a busy worker, this meal plan is customized for you. We don't want you to waste your precious time and money. Meals that keep your wallet heavy and make you lighter, slimmer, and healthier. Keto diet and tips. We'll serve to be your best friend in this whole journey. Your road to weight loss success will be in your hands. In this, you'll learn all about the tips to success, what to eat and avoid, and more. You will be your own diet guru. Keto flu and macros. We'll serve to be your doctor during your weight loss journey. In this, you'll learn about the keto flu, how to overcome the symptoms, an easy way to calculate your macronutrients, and much more. A complete ketosis guide. In this, you'll learn how ketosis works, how you can get your whole body into ketosis fast, what happens inside your body during the whole process, and much more. Intermittent fasting. A complete guide on intermittent fasting. In this, you'll learn about different ways of intermittent fasting to get into ketosis and achieve your fat loss goal with this technique. Keto smoothies. This is my favorite part. You'll enjoy these smoothies loaded with balanced nutrients, flavors, and delicious taste to kick off your day. Health and taste should go hand in hand. Keto peanut butter treat. Peanut butter lovers, in this, you'll get 33 peanut butter recipes, which include tasty shakes, cookies, and much more to satisfy your cravings. Full choice to swap your meal. If you don't like the meal, you have a full choice to swap your breakfast, lunch, and dinner with your favorite recipe from the collection, according to your cravings, or even if you don't like bacon, you have a full choice to replace it with egg or beef, and much more. So that was just a quick overview of what you're going to receive. So if you're 10 to 20 pounds overweight or more and you want to have a lean body and permanent fat loss while boosting your metabolism and improve your overall health, then the 30-day ultra-fast keto challenge is perfect for you. Please don't worry about the price. I promise it's extremely affordable because I have complete faith in what I'm offering. To make you aware, it's not just that you're receiving the 30-day ultra-fast keto challenge. I have some good news for you. You're going to enjoy every bit of it. I'm going to include, free of charge, 2 special bonuses for you. I'm sure you'd love to make use of them even after your weight loss journey. Let's have a look. Keto Chocolate Delight. If you're a chocolate lover, this is especially a bonus treat for you. In this, you'll get 33 chocolate delight recipes that will fulfill your sugar cravings in a healthier way while being on the keto diet. Now the second free bonus I have for you is tremendously near and dear to my heart. Keto Desserts. If you're a woman, this one is a treat for you. These desserts have all the ingredients that can make you happy anytime, anywhere. And don't worry, we've taken care of your carbs before bringing them up to you. As a special gift to you, it would be my absolute pleasure to give you these 2 delicious, mouth-watering recipe books completely free when you get started with the 30-day ultra-fast keto challenge today. So you can judge for yourself how valuable and life-changing this challenge can be. Now, for the price of the 30-day keto challenge plus bonuses you're going to receive is not even a fraction of what you would normally pay to a mediocre nutritionist and personal trainer. If you order today, you'll get 60% off on all the resources, which means rather than paying a price of $97, you'll get immediate access to everything for a one-time single secure payment of only $37. You must be wondering why I'm offering it at such a low cost compared to the benefits and all these resources. Well, money is not my top priority. Helping as many people as I can is. Before you jump in and get started, I want you to know that I have complete faith that you will see and feel tremendous health and body transformation results with this challenge, including 100% satisfaction and a money-back guarantee. So go ahead and test drive your 30-day ultra-fast keto challenge without any financial risk. Click the button below this video now and start today. I've never gotten any money-back requests so far, which is why I have more faith in what I'm offering you. But to help you, I need you to trust me for once. However, if you think it's not worth the money and you're not satisfied for whatever reason, if this challenge doesn't deliver noticeable results, or if you don't feel happy in any way, you'll get a full refund. Just send me an email with the next 60 days of purchase and claim your money back without any questions asked. Your money is safe with me till you get the desired results. Does that sound fair enough? Great! Now, get immediate access to the complete digital version, which is accessible and downloadable through any smartphone, tablet, or computer, so that you can begin experiencing all of the keto diet's amazing benefits within minutes from now. In fact, when you start the 30-day ultra-fast keto challenge today, you'll save time and money, customize your cravings, have a weekly shopping list, have a weekly overview of all meals, be more focused and more productive, buy only what you need for your meals, have calculated macros for every meal, no need to track, receive delicious and easy recipes with simple ingredients. In other words, you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain, except your excess weight, by claiming your challenge right now. If you're wondering whether this challenge truly is right for you, I regret to inform you that you're not eligible if you fit one of the following situations. First, you think you know how to lose weight better than following an expert's instruction and find diet planning absurd. Second, you're a poor executor and plan to put the diet plan on the shelf after a few days. Third, you have commitment issues with your dieting and slip away easily from the guidelines of the meal plan. And fourth, you like to whine about your weight but don't want to do anything about it. Now you're just one decision away from total transformation of your body and health, either to grab this for yourself or to leave it and return. You've got two options. Option 1, you can leave this amazing opportunity here and return with the same weight gain rants and nothing useful. Option 2, you can end this long, tiring struggle for fat loss by trying out the 30-day keto meal plan and seeing how this catalyst works in your weight loss journey. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to your belly fat, click the button below now to get instant access to your 30-day ultra-fast keto challenge. The only thing that can stop you from making a change is you. That being said, be intelligent enough to know which investment will be better for you in the long run so you don't regret it later. Right. So, today is the day to invest in yourself. Let's put an end to your life struggle and take your body and health to the next level so that you cannot stop yourself from looking at your curves in the bathroom mirror. Just think, in a few weeks, all of the excess fat will disappear from your hips, stomach, arms, and thighs, and you'll have a smile on your face that won't fade away. You'll finally have the body you've always desired, and your life will change for the better. Click the button below now, and let's say goodbye to feeling underconfident and welcome a new, better-looking version of you with all the confidence and self-love in the world.